Hello, this is Dr. Deepa Devadiga, Associate Professor at the Department of Audiology and Speech Language Pathology at Dr. Temepe Hospital, Udupi. Today we shall be discussing the common speech and hearing problems in children. So when do we actually initiate screening for these concerns in children? It actually begins right after the newborn. The newborns are usually subjected for feeding screening, for hearing screening, and being the pediatric feeding deglotologist also assess for their lactation concerns amongst them. What do we do basically with them is we actually screen them for hearing using OAE or BERA. OAE, wherein we actually screen for their hearing, and if the child actually passes the test, we usually repeat with after a year in order to confirm their hearing status. If the child fails the hearing screening, then we ask them to get it done immediately after a month period or make sure we get it a further evaluation using BERA. Speech and language are usually the major concerns among what we see in this era or in this generation. These children have an early exposure of gadgets, which could include your mobiles or including the TV time, or the children, parents were not having time to have an interaction with these children. So what do? Do they wait? Majority of the time, parents end up in having this wait and watch approach, which is definitely not suggested now. Because the more you wait, the more consequences we have to face, or it takes more time for their intervention. So how early you identify, the better outcomes you tend to see in these children. So people ask us like, when exactly do we come? We suggest that initial testing has to be immediately after your birth. That is, the testing is done 48 hours after the birth. When next is their next question. So we say that at the age of 1 year, please get the child evaluated for both speech, language, and hearing concerns. This helps us to have the early screening and early identify them for their better outcomes.